In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the ultimate Pipedrive reporting dashboard. First, log into your Pipedrive account so we can build everything inside Insights. Once you're in, head to Insights and choose Create Dashboard. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name so your team instantly knows what lives here, then click Save. This gives us a clean canvas to add the key reports you'll rely on every day. Let's add the first report. Click Add a new report, select Deal, then choose the Progress Report type, and continue. Progress reports track movement of deals through stages and outcomes over time, which is perfect for understanding how your pipeline is converting. Add a filter for status and set it to 1. Save the report, then rename it to something meaningful like 1 Deal's Progress so it's easy to recognize later. This view highlights closed won performance and helps you spot which periods or segments are driving revenue. Now, add another report to balance the picture. Again, choose Deal, pick Progress, and continue. Add a filter, but this time set status to Lost. Save, then rename the report to clearly indicate it shows lost deals. This companion report helps you identify trends behind losses, compare them to wins, and surface opportunities for improvement such as stage bottlenecks or specific reasons you can act on. Next, from your dashboard, open the Actions menu and add another report. Choose Deal, select Conversion, and continue. Set deal created to this month, then save. Rename the report to something like Monthly Conversion Rate. Conversion reports reveal how effectively your pipeline turns new deals into outcomes within a given period, making it great for monthly performance reviews and forecasting check-ins. For the final piece, add one more report from Actions. Choose Deal, select Duration, and continue. Set deal created to this month to keep your time frame consistent. Add a filter and switch it to Timeline, then narrow it to show deals with a duration between 1 and 3 months. This helps you understand cycle time in a practical window, highlighting how long deals typically take and where slowdowns might occur. Save the report and rename it so the purpose is unmistakable. For example, deal duration, 1 to 3 months. That's it. You've created a focused dashboard with won and lost progress, conversion for the current month, and a practical look at deal duration. Arrange the widgets, adjust date ranges as needed, and you'll have a reliable control center for pipeline health and decision-making. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.